Welcome back to our channel. This session will explore the critical relationship between technical, vocational education and training and labor market intelligence, LMI. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like or leave a comment and be part of our growing community. We will discuss how LMI extends beyond basic data to provide a nuanced understanding of labor market trends and dynamics, essential for career success in today's rapidly evolving job market. Accurately up-to-date labor market information is crucial in our fast-paced and competitive economy. Labor market intelligence, LMI, plays a pivotal role in aligning vocational education with the ever-changing demands of the job market. LMI involves systematically collecting, analyzing, and disseminating data and insights on employment trends, job vacancies, skills gaps, and industry needs. By understanding current and future labor market demands, LMI enables vocational education institutions to tailor their qualifications to meet the needs of employers and industries effectively. To navigate the complexities of today's job market effectively, it's crucial to understand the distinction between labor market information and labor market intelligence. Labor market information involves collecting and disseminating objective data about the labor market. This includes using metrics such as employment rates, job vacancies, wages, and industry trends. Essentially, it provides a snapshot of the labor market's current state. Labor market intelligence goes beyond raw data. It interprets the labor market information to uncover insights, identify patterns, and forecast future trends. LMI helps answer critical questions about emerging skills, the impact of technological advancements, and shifts in industry demand, offering actionable intelligence that can inform vocational education strategies. Harnessing the right tools and methodologies within labor market intelligence is crucial to bridge the gap between vocational education and the labor market. These tools provide raw data and offer deep insights that guide the development of relevant and future-proof vocational education programs. Let's explore some of the key tools and methodologies that form the backbone of LMI. Surveys and data collection are the cornerstone of LMI, primarily gathering crucial data on job vacancies, skills requirements, wages, and employment trends. Employer surveys, for example, can accurately identify the specific skills in demand, provide forecasts for hiring needs, and highlight the challenges employers face in recruiting qualified candidates. Workforce surveys are vital in assessing existing skill levels and identifying potential gaps in the labor market. Meanwhile, household surveys offer deep insights into employment rates, job preferences, and factors influencing workforce participation, providing a comprehensive view of labor market dynamics. Job vacancy databases are a treasure trove of real-time information on job availability, industry demand, and regional employment trends. By analyzing these databases, vocational education institutions can pinpoint high-demand occupations, identify the necessary skills for these roles, and understand the geographic distribution of job opportunities. This data ensures that qualifications are tailored to meet industry needs and regional labor market conditions. Integrating economic indicators such as GDP, inflation, and labor force participation rates into LMI provides a holistic view of the labor market's health. For example, a strong GDP growth rate can signal potential job creation and economic vitality, while trends in inflation may influence wage expectations and cost of living adjustments. Labor force participation rates offer insights into the proportion of the employed population or actively seeking employment, affecting labor supply and demand dynamics. As we delve deeper into labor market intelligence, it's important to recognize the advanced tools and methodologies that offer a more sophisticated understanding of the labor market. These tools move beyond basic data collection, providing nuanced insights that drive strategic decision-making for vocational education institutions. Let's explore some of these advanced methodologies. Workforce analytics employs advanced data analytics and statistical techniques to analyze large datasets, uncovering trends, patterns, and correlations that might not be immediately apparent. This approach allows for a detailed assessment of skill gaps and supports informed policy decisions. By analyzing these data-driven insights, vocational education institutions can better anticipate future skill demands and tailor their qualifications accordingly, ensuring that graduates are equipped with the competencies required by the evolving job market. Industry consultations and focus groups. Direct engagement with industry leaders and experts through consultations and focus groups is another critical methodology. These interactions provide qualitative insights beyond quantitative data, offering a deeper understanding of industry needs and regional labor market conditions. By regularly consulting with industry stakeholders, vocational education institutions can ensure their programs remain relevant and responsive to the current and future demands of the job market. Online job market analysis tools. The digital age has brought forth a range of online platforms that feature interactive dashboards and data visualizations, enabling an exploration of employment trends, skills demand, and regional market conditions. These tools are invaluable for real-time, data-driven decision-making, allowing vocational education institutions to quickly adapt to changes in the labor market and ensure that their qualifications remain aligned with the latest industry requirements. Utilizing LMI for skill demand analysis. Let's put this into practice. Suppose LMI indicates a rising demand for renewable energy technicians in a region. Vocational education institutions can develop specialized qualifications in renewable energy technologies, ensuring graduates have the skills to thrive in this emerging field. By aligning curricula with the specific skills identified through LMI, institutions help their students stay ahead of industry demands. Industry collaboration for informed adaptation. For vocational education institutions to stay relevant in today's rapidly changing job market, collaboration with industries is not just beneficial. It's essential. By forming partnerships with industry players, vocational education institutions can stay ahead of the curve in understanding evolving technological needs and skill requirements. For example, a strategic partnership between a vocational education institution and a local manufacturing company. The institution can gather valuable insights into the company's changing demands through regular consultations, from adopting new technologies to the specific skills required in the workforce. With this knowledge, the institution can proactively adapt its programs, integrating the latest industry practices and cutting-edge technologies into the curriculum. This approach ensures that graduates are well prepared to meet current industry demands and equipped to thrive in a constantly evolving workplace, making them highly valuable to employers. Tracking job placement and outcomes offers critical feedback on the effectiveness of vocational education programs. For example, an institution might analyze job placement rates, salaries, and career progression in the healthcare sector to identify areas where further training or support is needed. This continuous feedback loop helps refine programs, ensuring graduates are qualified to succeed in their chosen fields. Skills forecasting and lifelong learning. LMI is vital for anticipating future skills needs. For example, an increase in demand for digital skills like data analytics and artificial intelligence may be identified. Vocational education institutions can respond by offering short-term courses or modules in these areas, enabling the current workforce to upskill or reskill as needed. This focus on lifelong learning ensures that individuals remain employable and adaptable in a constantly evolving job market. Conclusion: labor market intelligence is a powerful tool for bridging the gap between education and employment. Vocational education institutions can align their programs with labor market needs by leveraging LMI for skill demand analysis, fostering industry collaborations, tracking job outcomes, and focusing on skills forecasting and lifelong learning. This approach equips graduates with the relevant skills and competencies employers seek, ensuring their successful integration into the workforce and contributing to the broader development of the labor market. Thank you for watching this video and exploring the intersection of technical, vocational education and training and labor market intelligence. We appreciate your support and encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Please leave a comment below to share your thoughts and suggest future topics you'd like us to cover. Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to explore the dynamic world of technical, vocational education and training, helping shape successful careers and industry growth. Lastly, don't forget to visit my website for insightful blogs and access to a free resource hub, link in the description below. Until next time, keep learning and growing.